Ensuring the best drying results for your clothes can be challenging. Not anymore. With the heat pump dryer with self-cleaning condenser, the drying process is not only more energy efficient, but it also protects your clothes from creasing, overheating, and shrinking. The temperature inside the drum is much lower than in conventional dryers. And the drum design provides gentle and perfect drying conditions, even for your most delicate garments. While conventional dryers lose energy efficiency over time if the owner does not regularly clean out the condenser, the Bosch heat pump dryer with self-cleaning condenser constantly maintains its top energy efficiency. And this is how it works. The condenser is rinsed automatically throughout the drying process by using the stored water in the condenser tank, leaving the condenser unclogged and free of lint, keeping your dryer running at the top energy efficiency, cycle after cycle. This is the heat pump dryer with self-cleaning condenser, the energy-efficient heat pump dryer designed to run efficiently and dry your clothes gently and perfectly. Bosch, invented for life.